Good morning, beautiful people. Okay, so as you guys know, we are on this healthy challenge. What is this? I don't know what that is. Probably some of my shake. Smoothie. Whatever it's called. I guess it could be a shake or a smoothie. I don't know. But anywho's. So, as y'all know, we did the cleanse with the Epsom salt. And that's going pretty well. I haven't went to the bathroom a lot. But it also could be because of my veggie intake. Because for every morning, I do a smoothie or a shake. And I add a lot of spinach to it. So today, I have this lovely, I like my cup. It says, I love you, Mom. But this is, I don't know if you guys can see, but this is like super creamy and it's really good. It has matcha green tea, bananas, mangoes, frozen mangoes, almond milk, because I don't drink regular milk. I drink almond milk. But it's good. That's for my breakfast this morning. I did not work out last night, so I'm trying to get that workout in today and record it for you guys. My mental health is good. I think my pills are finally working. Maybe they finally took a while for them to kick in or something. What else? I don't know. I guess that's it for now. Oh, and I kind of cheated this morning too. I had some chips, but it's okay because I'm pretty sure. So this detox lasts more than one day. Everything that I eat, if there's anything bad in it, it'll come out. So I'm pretty sure that's what's gonna happen with the chips. I guess we'll see. And I guess I'll also document my weight today, so you guys can see that as well. All right, peace out.